Welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. It finally happened. It finally happened. Microsoft really does hate me. So it's I literally like less than a half hour ago I got this email that changing status. So they yoinked my MVP status, right? Because of a code of conduct violation. It's final. Decision is final, and there's no appeal process. So of course they don't tell you why. It's like LinkedIn all over again. So all right. So the only thing I can think of, right, is in my last video. Anyway, code of conduct. So here it is, right, and it's like this. It makes some pretty gruesome stuff in this code of conduct, like where is it, like offensive materials, like child pornography, bestiality, incest, or whatever. It's this stuff. And the only thing I can think of is my last video. I made a skull bong joke. And they have a passage in here for illegal drugs. So even though it's perfectly legal in Ohio, man, which is where I live, it's perfectly valid for medical use. Not that I do marijuana or anything, but that skull bong joke, that goes back to my 20s, man. In terms of all of that. So yeah, just, I guess if you're gonna go out, man, go out on a skull bong joke. Absolutely, that's the best way to go. So the only bummer, I got to cancel my flight out to Redmond for the MVP summit. It's gonna suck that I can't get together and see Pragati and some other the MVPs in person and ever. But holy smokes, man, what a riot! this is this is the greatest thing ever, in my opinion. I mean, in terms of if you're gonna go out, man, and you're gonna every MVP is gonna be a non-MVP at some point. If you're gonna go out, man, go out like this. So the skull bone joke of all things, that's crazy to me. But yeah, this is one of those things that it was always gonna happen at some point. Especially me, I'm a walking HR violation probably sometimes. So that stuff's gonna happen. So, but wow, oh man, this is the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. I got banned over illegal drugs because I made a skull bone joke. So anyway, this isn't gonna change anything in terms of my participation in the community or any of that sort of stuff. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. If anything, it's gonna get even better because I'm not bound by jack at this point. So all right, hope you all enjoyed this. And yeah, don't leave me any pity party comments or anything like that in the comment section, whatever. This was always going to happen at some point. So I know if I was going to go out, man, I can't think of a better way to go out. So I love you all, and I'll see you guys next time.